Wait. Hi guys! Today ay gonna makeup but buburahin ko pagkatapos ng makeup, okay? Let's go start. I'm gonna use my mommy's makeup. First, that's my lotion. There's may nakalagay na baby dito. Yun o. Pero hindi nyo makita kasi yung ilaw. And Raya, hindi ako cat. And Raya, and because si Kuya Bedek yung pumunta sa inyo, naglaro ako Roblox cat. Hindi yung totoo na cat, si cat yung pinapanood natin sa si YouTubers yun. Now, let's go need some lipstick. This one. I gonna need this one because it's so pretty. All the lipstick I gonna use it. I'm gonna pick this first. Now this one. The last one. And we ate it. Wait. This one now. This is my favorite because look, I put it sponge and look, that's percent. Um, 61%. And this is so mommy's stuff. I gonna use it a little bit. Guys. Pop, 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 pop. Take this. And look up cloud. I'm gonna remove it. I'm gonna and look at that. I'm done, guys. I go there. Not this one, the last one, but I need this. Yan. And I'm gonna ano, now let's go and let's eat bonito. Wait lang guys. And then guys, and I'm gonna put it in